What if your car suddenly runs out of power in the middle of traffic? That fear is called range anxiety. And that is one of the reasons why Filipinos hesitate to switch to electric vehicle. But here is the truth. Most driver may never experience it. So is range anxiety real or just a myth? Range anxiety is simple. It's the fear that your electric car will run out of battery before you reach your destination. Most modern electric vehicle today can travel from 300 to 500 kilometers on a full charge. Be honest, would you feel comfortable driving an EV today in the Philippines? Comment below. Now, compare that to the average Filipino driver. Most daily trips are only 30 to 50 kilometers. That means an electric vehicle can last several days without charging. So why are people still worried? The real issue is not range, it's a charging habit.